Summit Week is a place where we all come together to learn from each other and also, just to have fun.
We get to have everybody in from out of town. I get to see so many people that I normally only see on Zoom. For me, that's very energizing.
Summit Week is great because it brings us all together, and that's very inspiring. And it also is great for brainstorming.
I've been to 6 summits, and every single year it gets better and better. It's a really special event for me.
So today we had an AI builder session. It's great to see non-technical folk getting involved in engineering topics. A colleague from sales, he was using Cursor to build a lead generation tool.
I got to talk to one of our suppliers, which being on the traveler side is quite rare for me. So then from the supplier's perspective, it's more about how does AI then, it's not going to replace them. So how is it going to impact the way people interact with them or find them?
Winning the Founders Award was actually very shocking for me when I first heard it from my manager. I even asked him, "Are you sure? Are you sure it's me?"
We like to move fast, and we don't let all of the potential complications that we foresee in the future stop us from trying something.
It's so collaborative. At least for me, the people I work with are really top-notch at what they do and also are just really fantastic individuals. I feel like I won the coworker lottery being here, to be honest.
My team is an A team, and we are very close, and majority of my success comes from the support of my team.